In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly who to contact, what to expect, and how to keep things moving smoothly. First, an important reminder, once a transaction is marked as completed in your Revolut app, you can't cancel it directly from there. There's no in-app button to reverse a finished payment, and that's completely normal across most banking and card services. So if you open a transaction and don't see a way to cancel it, don't worry, that's expected. Your next step is to contact the merchant you paid and request a refund from them. This is the fastest and most common route. Reach out through the merchant's official support channels and keep your message clear and polite. Share the essentials they'll need, like the date and amount of the purchase, your order or receipt number, and a brief reason for the refund. If you can, attach proof of purchase or screenshots from your Revolut app to make their review easier. Most merchants can process refunds without any issues. Once a merchant approves a refund, timing can vary. Most refunds arrive within 3 to 10 business days, depending on the merchant and their payment processor. Business days usually exclude weekends and public holidays, so keep that in mind when counting the days. You'll typically see the money return to the same account or card you used, either as a separate incoming transaction or as a reversal of the original payment. If the merchant doesn't respond or refuses to help, it's time to contact Revolut support. Open your Revolut app and use the in-app chat to report the issue. In your message, include the transaction details, the steps you've already taken with the merchant, and any supporting evidence such as receipts or email threads. The clearer your summary, the easier it is for support to assist you. From there, Revolut may help you start a chargeback or dispute. This is a formal process where your card issuer challenges the transaction on your behalf. Keep in mind that disputes can take some time to review and process, as they often involve requests for documentation and back and forth between payment partners. While you wait, keep an eye on your notifications and respond promptly if Revolut asks for more information. And that's it. Start with the merchant for the quickest resolution, then use Revolut's in-app chat if you need extra help. With a little preparation and patience, you'll know exactly how to request a refund on Revolut.